Good morning students. Last class we are compared the postulates of Bohr's atomic model and also calculation for the radius of orbit. Then next today concept is the energy of electron present in the orbit. That is the next one concept. Then how to calculate the energy of electron in the orbit. Generally the total energy of revolving electron in the orbit is equal to the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. The total energy of revolving electron in the orbit. Here, for example, this is the hydrogen atom. Okay, this is the orbit. Here, electron revolving around the nucleus in a circular path. Okay, the total energy of electron in this orbit is equal to the sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, then what is the kinetic energy? Here, kinetic energy of electron is equal to Z E square by 2R. Next, potential energy of electron is equal to minus Z E square by R. Okay. Then the total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay. Therefore, the total energy is equal to kinetic energy means what is that? Z E square by 2R plus minus of Z E square by R. Minus into plus minus, then total energy is equal to Z E square by 2R minus Z E square by R. So Z E square by 2R minus Z E square by R, its value is equal to minus Z E square by 2R equal. Okay, so this is the total energy is equal to minus Z E square by 2R. This is equation 4. Then what are equation 3 and 1 and 2? Radius of orbit. Equation 1 what I told you. Equation 1 is equal to V square is equal to Z E square by MR. So this is equation 1 in radius of orbit. Okay. Equation 2 is V square is equal to M square H square by 4 pi square M square R square. That is equation 2. This is equation 2. Then equation 3 is radius is equal to M square H square by 4 pi square M Z E square. That is equation 3. This is equation 4. Okay. So the equation 3 is substitute in equation 4. What is equation 3? Radius M square H square by 4 pi square M Z square is there. Here R value is substituting in this equation. Here R value in the place of R we have to write this one formula. Then what we get? Then next equation 3 is substituting in the equation 4. Then what we get? Total energy is equal to minus Z E square by 2 into what is R value? R value is M square H square by 4 pi square M Z E square. So this is becomes here numerator. Therefore the total energy is equal to minus here 4 pi square M Z into Z square E square into E square E power 4 divided by 2 into N square and H square. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Okay. Then what we get total energy? Total energy E is equal to minus 2 pi square M Z square E power 4 divided by N square and H square. So this is the formula of energy of electron in the orbit. You have to remember this one formula. So this is equation 5. Okay. Then next one is here pi value is 3.14. Okay. Then M means mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 28 grams. And Z value atomic number Then charge of electron 4.8 into 10 power minus 10 electrostatic units, and H value is 6.625 into 10 power minus 27 erg second. To substitute these values in this equation, except z square and n square. Remaining values, if you substitute, then E value becomes to different values are there. E value becomes to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 11 minus 11 into here z square divided by n square erg per atom. So this is the first one value. This is energy. Means total energy is nothing but En. Okay. So here also total energy is En. So this is the energy of electron in the orbit in erg per atom. Like that, different values of the energy value. That is the values. Then next one is the second one formula. Total energy of electron in the nth orbit En is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into z square by n square. This is joule per atom. Like that, En is equal to minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volt per atom. Like that, En is equal to minus 1312 into z square by n square kilojoule per mole. Like that, En is equal to minus 313.6 into z square by n square kilocalorie per mole. Okay, so these are the E values of different types. Next, here 1 electron volt is equal to minus 1 electron volt equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules equal. Then next one is the n value is increased. N value is increased. Energy of electron in the orbit is increased. That is one of the important point. N value is increased. Energy of electron in the orbit increased. Y means is here. This is the atom. First orbit, second orbit, third orbit and fourth orbit, like different orbits are there. The energy of electron in the infinity orbit is always 0. This is infinity orbit. Okay, this is n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. This is infinity orbit. The energy of electron in this infinity orbit is equal to energy is equal to 0. So that is second point. The energy of electron in the infinite orbit is always 0. Then next one is why here energy of electron is negative. See here, just now I told energy of electron at infinity orbit is 0 na? So at infinity orbit energy is 0. Means at infinity orbit the energy of electron is neutral, means 0. Whenever the electrons comes nearer to the nucleus, for example, last infinite orbit, next another orbit, electron jump from infinite orbit to lower orbit. So whenever the electron jump from higher orbit to lower orbit, this electron release certain amount of energy. Okay, so its total energy is 0. After release of certain amount of energy, the energy of electron what happened? Decrease now. So 0 to negativity will come because of energy decrease. Again electron jump from this orbit to again lower orbit. Again here some amount of energy is released. Again here negative. Okay. Again it is electron jump from higher orbit to lower orbit. Some more amount of energy releases. So again negative. So like that electron jump from higher orbit to lower orbit. So at infinity distance its energy is 0. But whenever the electron jump from higher orbit to lower orbit, the electron release certain amount of energy. So due to this reason, the total energy of the electron is decreased to negative value. That's why energy of electron is always energy of electron in the atom is always negative. is always negative. So that is important point. Okay. Then next one is the total energy of electron is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay. So your kinetic energy is always plus 1. Potential energy is always minus 2. Okay. Then total energy is minus 1. So your total energy always negative na. So how your total energy is negative? Because of potential energy is plus 1, kinetic energy plus 1, potential energy minus 2. Then its value is 1 minus 2, it will come minus 1. Okay, the ratio of total energy and kinetic energy and potential energy is minus 1 is to 1 is to minus 2. This is the ratio of total energy and kinetic energy and potential energy. So this is the information about the energy of electron in the orbit. And one more last one point, here energy of nth orbit En is equal to minus E1 into Z square divided by N square. So already I told this formula. So for example, energy of electron in electron volt per atom minus 13.6 into Z square by N square is there. That is electron volt per atom. So energy of nth orbit En is equal to minus, this is the energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom E1 into Z square by N square. So this is the common formula for energy of electron in the nth orbit. So this is about the information of energy of electron in the orbit. The next one is problems. Then let us see the first one question that is related to the energy of electron in the orbit. Calculate the energy associated with the first orbit of helium plus ion. What is the radius of this orbit? Here what they know? Helium, they given helium atomic number. What they know? Helium atomic number Z is equal to helium atomic number is 2. Okay. First orbit na n value is equal to 1. N value is 1. Atomic number is 2. Okay. So first what we have to find out energy of electron in the helium atom. Therefore energy is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into Z square minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into Z square divided by N square formula. This is joule per atom. Therefore energy E is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into here Z value is what is that? 2 na? 2 square divided by N value is 1 first orbit. 1 square. 1 square means 1. No need to take again 1. Therefore E is equal to energy of electron E is equal to, for energy E is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into 4. 2 to 0 4 na. Then I calculate E is equal to 480 32 410 plus 3 7 420 8 minus 8.72 joule per atom. So this is the energy of electron in the joule per atom. So same orbit and same ionic species helium plus atom. What is the radius of orbit? So the radius of orbit in nanometers. Particularly they ask nanometers. Then R is equal to 0. So R is equal to 0.0529 into n square by z nanometers. Here R is equal to 0.0529 into n square means 1 square. N value is 1 na, same applicable. Here z is equal to 2 na. So in the place of z we have to write 2. Then 0.0529 divided by 2. Then what will come? 0.02 and 645 will come. 0.02645 nanometer. So this is the radius of orbit. So like that, here one more important point. Here E value is there. Energy of orbit found minus 2 pi square m z square e power 4 divided by n square and a square. This formula is also applicable to the single electron species like hydrogen, helium plus, lithium plus 2 and beryllium plus 3 like beryllium plus 3 like single electronic species, the energy of orbital that is also applicable. So this is about the first one problem. Next one is one more problem. Then see the second one question. The total energy of electron in any orbit of one electron containing species like He, hydrogen, He plus, lithium plus 2, beryllium plus 3. So like that single electron species, how to calculate the energy of electron in the orbit? Formula minus e square by r minus n square h square by 2 pi square z square e power 4 by m and minus 2 pi square m z square e power 4 divided by m square and h square and nh by 2 pi. Then what is the formula? The energy of electrons calculated by the formula this one. Then last one is the total energy of the electron revolving around the nucleus is 0, less than 0, more than 0, in some atoms less than 0, certain atoms more than 0. Already I told, for example, this is the nucleus, first orbital, second orbital, third orbital, fourth orbital. The energy of electron within the atom is always negative. Negative means 0. Sorry, negative means minus sign. So the energy of electron within the atom in all orbits is always negative. Okay, so here negative, here also negative, here also negative, here also negative. Last infinity distance 0. At infinity orbit, this is infinite orbit, here energy of electron is 0. But within the atom gradually negative sign what happens increases. Okay, so that's why the total energy of revolving electron around the nucleus is always less than 0 because of negative sign now. So less than 0, that is the correct one. Okay, after the rest of the electron in the rest of the atom means out of the atom, then only the energy of electron is positive out of the orbit atom. But within the atom is negative. Negative means that is less than 0 no? So that is about the less than 0. So this is about the energy of electron calculated by this process. The next one is ionization energy and velocity. Then next one is velocity of electron in the orbit. Then how to calculate by the velocity of electron? Here velocity of electron in the orbit is calculated by the formula V is equal to 2 pi z e square by nh. So you have to remember velocity formula, velocity of nth orbit. Then substitute the pi value, e value and h value. Then we get V is equal to, means velocity of nth orbit is equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 into z by n. That is centimeter per second values. So this is the velocity of electron in the centimeter per second within the atom. 2.18 into 10 power 8 into z by n. Here z is atomic number, n is orbit number. Okay. For Vn is equal to here V1 by n. So this is one of the formula. V1 means this is in first orbit hydrogen atom first orbit n value is 1, z value 1. So that's why this is V1 into z into divided by n. So this is the velocity of electron. Here one of the point is the velocity of electron is velocity of electron increase with increase with decrease n value. Okay, you see here, for example, this is the first orbital, second orbital, third orbital and fourth orbital and fifth orbital. Here electron present in the first orbital, here electron present in the first orbital. Its velocity is very more. The same electron present in the fifth orbital, velocity is less because of your positive charge of the nucleus increase. Here positive charge of nucleus increase, velocity what happen? Velocity is increase. Positive charge of the nucleus increase, velocity increase. Positive charge of the nucleus decrease means whenever the electrons away from the nucleus, your nuclear charge what happen? Decrease. For example, electron present in first orbital, so in which nuclear attraction on this electron is very more. That's why velocity also very more. If the electron present in the last orbital, nuclear attraction on the that last orbit electron is decreases. That's where its velocity of electron also less. So like that, positive charge of the nucleus increase, velocity of electron also increase. And another one point, n value is increase, velocity what happen decrease. So this is about the velocity of electron in the orbit. So this formula is applicable to the hydrogen like single electron species. Then next one is ionization energy. Then next one is ionization energy of electron in the orbit. Is here, before going to the ionization energy, first what is ionization energy? Here. So this is the nucleus, first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, and fourth orbit, like this different orbits are there. For example, electron present in this orbit. Ionization energy means the amount of energy is required to remove this electron from the valence shell of isolated neutral gases atom. Neutral gases atom. Okay. So what is ionization energy? The minimum amount of energy is required. Energy required means that is endothermic process. Remember that point. So ionization energy is the endothermic process. Why it is endothermic? Because of energy is required. That's why energy is positive. In case energy release means exothermic. Exothermic means energy release, negative side will come. So here the minimum amount of energy required to remove the electron from the valence shell of isolated neutral gases atom. That minimum amount of energy is nothing but ionization energy. Okay, here ionization energy is equal to minus of energy of orbital. Minus of energy of orbital. Ionization energy of first orbital, IE1 is equal to minus of E1. Means energy of first orbital minus 2. What is energy of first orbital in hydrogen atom? E is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into z square by n square. This is joule per atom. For example, first orbit of hydrogen atom, z value what happen here? 1 square. Hydrogen atom atomic number is 1 square. First orbit n value also 1. So 1 square cancel. Then what will get? E energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom minus this is the first orbit of hydrogen atom. First orbit of hydrogen atom is n value is equal to 1. Hydrogen z value is equal to 1. Here 1 means both are cancelled. Then what is energy of hydrogen atom of first orbital? Minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 8 into joule per atom. So this is energy of first orbit. Then ionization energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom is same value, but here minus 2.18 into minus. Then what will get? Ionization energy of first orbital minus of minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 joule per atom. Then what will get? So here plus minus into minus plus na 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 joule per atom. So this is energy of electron in the ionization energy of electron present in the first orbit of hydrogen atom is this one. Okay. So ionization energy is equal to minus energy of first orbit. Then what is formula of ionization energy? Ionization energy is equal to of nth orbital. Ionization energy of nth orbital is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 into n square by z square by n square. That is joule per atom. Another one is ionization energy of electron present in the hydrogen-like species. 13.6 minus 13.6 means energy of orbital. Ionization energy means minus into minus plus 13.6 into z square by n square. So this is electron volt per atom. So by using this formula, we can calculate the ionization energy of electron in the orbit of any single electronic species. So based on this whole concept, I will explain one or two problems, then we will get clarity. Okay. So you have to remember once again, ionization energy means the minimum amount of energy required to remove the electron from the valence shell of isolated neutral gas atom. That is ionization energy. It is always endothermic process because of energy required now. Then next, ionization energy is equal to minus energy of first orbital. For example, ionization energy of first orbital is equal to minus E1. Second orbital minus E2. Third ionization energy is minus E3. Like that it will come. Understood? So The general formula is IEN is equal to 2.18 10 power minus 8 z square by n square. This is one of the formula. This is another one formula. So you have to remember this formulas. Formulas are very important. Let us see some problems. Then see the first one question. Ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volt. What will be the ionization energy of He plus and lithium plus 2 ions? Just now I told formula. Ionization energy is equal to minus of energy of first orbit. Energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay. So that is the ionization energy. Or another one formula, IE1 is ionization energy is equal to 13.6 into z square by n square. So this is plus n. So this is one of the formula. So you can use either this formula or directly this one formula, or otherwise you can use this one formula. First I am using this one formula. Hydrogen atom, ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volt. What will be the ionization energy of helium plus and the lithium plus ions? For hydrogen atom, what is that? 13.6 electron volt. Means we have to use this one formula, electron volt per atom formula we have to use. For helium plus ion, okay, 13.6, this value is constant because of they are taken 13.6 electron volt ionization energy of hydrogen atom, the same value you have to take. No need to take another value. Okay, here what they got that value you have to take. Okay, 13.6 into Z value means helium atomic number, Z is equal to atomic number of helium is, Z value of helium is what is that? 2 no? 2 square divided by first orbit 1 square. Then its value is 13.6 into 4. How much what will get? 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12 plus 2 14, 4 1 4 plus 1 5. So 5.44 electron volt per atom. So this is the ionization energy of what is that one? 54.4. So electron volt per atom, that is ionization energy of first orbit of helium plus ion. Like that lithium plus ions. This is the first one. Second one is for lithium plus 2 ions. For lithium plus 2 ions. For lithium plus 2 ions, ionization energy is equal to 13.6 into z square by n square formula. 13.6 into lithium, atomic number of lithium is what is the z value? 3 square divided by first orbit of lithium 1 square. So 13.6 into 9. Then what will get? 54. 9 3 are 27 plus 5. 32. 9 1 are 9 plus 3. 12. So 122.4 electron volt per atom. So this is ionization energy of helium plus 2 ion value this one. First orbit of helium plus 2 ion. Ionization energy of first orbit of helium plus ion also this one. This is by using this one formula we are getting this is value. In case if we use this one formula, then what happens? See the first one. So first energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. What is energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom in electron volt per atom? So energy is equal to what I told minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volt per atom formula first orbit. Okay. Ionization energy means ionization energy is equal to minus of minus 13.6 because of energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. V1 value we have to substitute here. Okay. So first orbit z value is 1, n value 1 है. That is formula En. This is first orbit of hydrogen atom. Means E1 energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom minus 13.6 into 1 square by 1 square electron volt. That means E1 is equal to minus 13.6. Then substitute that one in this equation. Ionization energy is equal to 13.6 minus of minus 13.6. Ionization energy is equal to plus 13.6 electron volt per atom. So this is for hydrogen. But for helium plus ions, what will get? PCR, that is also. I understand this is hydrogen, then helium plus 2 ions, so is here. So helium, first orbit of helium plus ions, E1 of helium plus ions, minus 13.6 into helium atomic number is 2 na, Z value 2 square divided by first orbit 1 square, then what will get? Minus 13.6 into 2 square means 4, then what will get? Same value, minus 54.4 electron volt per atom will come. Okay, after find out the ionization energy of first orbit of helium, energy of first orbit of helium, then ionization energy is equal to this one formula, minus of energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. Like that, this value we have to substitute here. Minus 54.4. Ionization energy minus into minus plus 54.4 electron volt per atom. So this one value. Like that, if you take lithium, same value, that is also. Then lithium also same. Energy of first orbit of lithium plus 2 ion, minus 13.6 into Z square by N square na. So minus 13.6 into lithium atomic number Z value is 3 square by 1 square. Then what will get? Minus 13.6 into 3 square means 9. Okay. Then what will get? Minus 122.4 electron volt per atom. That is the energy of first orbit of lithium. This energy of first orbit of lithium we have to substitute here. That is energy of first orbit of ionization energy of first orbit of lithium will come. Minus of energy of first orbit of hydrogen. But here lithium na, first orbit of lithium energy is this one value. Then substitute that value in this equation. Minus 122.4. Ionization energy is equal to minus into minus plus 122.4 electron volt per atom. Same value is equal. So that's why directly we can use this one formula. Energy is negative, ionization energy is positive. That is the same symbol. Sign is only different. Formulas are same. Okay. So this is one of the problem. Next another one problem. Then see the second question. How much energy is required? Means ionization energy. How much energy required means ionization energy to ionize hydrogen atom. If the electron occupies the N is equal to 5th. Electron present in the 5th orbit, its ionization energy we have to find out. So what I told formula. So they given options. What they given? Electron volt they given all options. Means electron volt formula we have to take. Ionization energy is equal to 13.6 into Z square by N square formula we have to take. That is electron volt per atom formula. Because of they given all are in electron volt. Then this value substituting in this equation. Here N is equal to what they given? 5th orbit. Hydrogen atom na Z is equal to 1. Then substitute N value and Z value in this equation. Ionization energy is equal to 13.6 into Z value is 1 square hydrogen atom divided by 5 square. Okay. Then what will get? 13.6 divided by 5 square means 25. Then what will get? 13.6 divided by 25. Value 0.544 electron volt. So this is the answer. Option is C. Okay. Then next one is velocity based problem. If the speed of electron in the Bohr first orbiter of hydrogen is x. Electron in the first orbit of hydrogen atom, its speed is x. What is the speed in the third orbiter? But what I told formula of velocity of electron in the orbit formula, velocity of electron formula Vn is equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 into Z by N. Correct na? Into Z by N, that is centimeter per second inverse formula. But in this formula, first orbit means first orbit of hydrogen atom means Z value 1, N value 1 na? 2.18 into 10 power 8. First velocity of electron present in the first orbit of hydrogen atom 2.18 into 10 power 8 centimeter per second. This value is equal to x. So this total value is equal to what they can know? X. So velocity of first orbit of hydrogen atom is x. So this value is x. The speed of electron in the Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen atom is x. So this total 2.181048 centimeter per second value is equal to x, first orbit. But question what they know, speed in the third orbit. Third orbit means n value what we take? 3 na? So V1 for third orbit V3 is equal to x by 3. Formula same, x into z by n formula. Why? Because of this total value is x. X into z by n. Then V3 means velocity of electron in the third orbit. V3 is equal to x into same hydrogen atom z value 1, third orbit n value 3. So V3 value is equal to x by 3. So third orbit x by 3. That is the velocity of electron in the third orbit of hydrogen atom. So this is about the concept. Last two concepts are there, that is in this class.